Okay. Trail closed. Okay. So I'm at eXsell, and I'm having a hard time figuring this out.
So the road being under construction was a bit cumbersome. I wasn't sure which way to go, but obviously, as you'll see, that was the least of my problems, as I was about to have some serious issues, but I still kept on riding.
They got this road all torn up and they're working on it, so I'm like really confused. But this is it up here. Yeah. I got no battery, no water, which is great. So this is the trailhead right here. There's a blue in here along with the green, so I'm gonna try. So this is blue. I'm confused. It looks pretty fun. It's kind of confusing in here, but okay. They got like a little mini pump track right here. Okay. Kind of chucking it out. We're gonna do the green, down to the blue. That comes back. All right. I'm not sure, maybe this is blue right here. I think this is supposed to be blue. That's a little more of a challenge. Whoa! Yeah, a little bit. Okay, so that goes back, and this is the trail here I'm supposed to be taking. Okay, this is supposed to be an all-weather trail too. So everybody and their mom has been here except for me. My GoPro died. I got the other battery in the car. But, yeah, this is inside the blue loop at eXsell Energy. You know, it goes in a big circle. Pretty cool. And there's like a jump right there that I try to hit. But I'm going to explore some more, and I don't know if I'm going to come back here again with the other battery. I'm hoping the GoPro is fine, but it just kind of died on me. There's a trail here too that goes around this. The highway's right there. I don't know which highway that is. But there's a jump line right here. It starts, it goes to the right. And it's got some pretty big jumps on it. I'm gonna roll through it and see what it's like. Then we'll go back to the car and get my other battery. Yeah, these are rolling gaps. I'm gonna roll through them and then I can see if my battery's working. I know I could hit these. They're not that big. But I'm not sure how many of them there are. I think there's a whole bunch of them. So we're gonna check this out. Okay, we're back on round 2 here at eXsell Energy Park. Pretty awesome area. I had a guy by the name of John, older guy, was showing me around. And there's another rider back here too. So this is a super fun little flowy section that I was like, oh, I can't film it. I didn't have my GoPro going. And then we go into the wooden feature stuff. Let's see if I can ride the first one. But there's some serious stuff here. Right ahead of me there is, oh yeah, I gotta hit this. I felt like I cleared it, but I don't think I did. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, oh! Getting on it is a little bit of a pickle farmer. Oh, stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Oh, oh. I gotta turn around. So there's one of the jumps right there. I think if I get that first one, I can get them all. They're not that big. I mean, they get bigger, but they're not, there's only 4 of them. So. Another fun section right here, I think. Right along the highway. I don't know what highway that is. And then we come to the beginning of the jump line. Right here. This is the start. Oh, his bike is being a poop head. Oh, nope, not quite ready. I'm getting a little bit of jitters on this, but I know. Oh! Oh! Oh, come on. I broke my chain. Gosh darn it. It was making so much noise. Yeah. It might just be the link. Crap. Yeah, it was making noise, so that's the end of that. I'm not gonna be doing the jump line. Crap. Oh well. Okay, this is a bit comical. Not clipped in and no chain. I mean, I had fun here, and I am definitely gonna come back here, but should I do a wooden feature with no chain? I'm tempted to do one of these. Wow. Okay, so I think now, yeah, see, this is the way we went back. I think. So there's a big skinny right there. Black diamond skinny. Okay. This is just really weird. I'm not going to be doing any of the big wood features. I was going to do this one, but I might have enough speed. Without a chain, I'm not going to have the leverage. This is the one I tried and I about died on. I did some wooden features. Oh, this is not fun. I'm gonna try a wooden feature with no chain. Yeah, it's not so bad. The challenge has been accepted. Ski time. This is really cheating. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, that's not so bad. Yeah. Wow, I cannot believe how slow I'm going. These are gonna be a go. Whoa! I got one. Boy, without a chain, it's difficult. The berms are nice though because I can get my foot down on them. If my rear end was a little lower to the ground, or my legs were longer, that would also help. I did this one with that guy, so I know I can do this one. This is another super easy one. And then all the other features after this, I actually did, I think. Key is to push off the flow. I'm gonna be so exhausted. That's okay. I really wanna. People are like, why the hell are you even biking at this point? This other one's gonna be a big challenge. Oh, come on, oh. I tried to do it with no feet, but not quite. Oh, yeah, I'm done. Back at the beginning now, so. Yeah, this place is worthy, for sure.